Hey everyone, and welcome back, because today I'm going to show you a super easy way to flip a horizontal long video into a vertical short that actually slaps on social. If you've ever shot a long interview, a podcast episode, or just a landscape vlog, this trick will save you so much time when turning it into snackable vertical content. Forget about those weird cropping guesses or endless manual edits. We are talking just a few clicks and you get a clean vertical clip that is instantly ready to post across all platforms. All right, first things first, let's fire up the software and open your main project file. If you haven't uploaded your horizontal footage yet, the drag and drop feature makes it simple to get everything in there. Vizard's interface is designed to make this process utterly painless for even your longest recordings. You can drop that hour-long stream or that full 20-minute talk straight into the main workspace. The coolest part here is that we aren't just doing a simple recrop of the original frame. This system actually finds the moments that matter most, saving you from scrubbing through the entire thing looking for those hidden gems. Now here is what I usually do to kick things off. Just hit that magical auto edit button. Vizard's AI then scans the entire video, picking out all the high engagement parts like genuine laughs or big reveals. It takes those moments and immediately turns them into perfectly ready to post vertical clips for you. For optimal viewing on mobile, make sure you set the aspect ratio specifically to 9:16. Then just let Vizard perform its magic as it reframes the highlights into that vertical composition. It automatically tracks the main subject and keeps all the important action perfectly centered for you. It is honestly nuts how well it follows faces and gestures without you needing to draw boxes or guess the crop area. You'll immediately be able to jump in and preview every single suggested clip. When you play them back, you'll see Vizard applies a smart vertical crop that keeps the subject and crucial context completely intact. This avoids that frustratingly chopped off head or those weird off-frame hands you get with cruder tools. If for some reason a pic looks slightly off, you always have the power to nudge the focal point or extend the clip a few extra seconds. But I'll be honest, most of the time these auto picks are usable straight out of the oven. Here's a really quick pro tip for clips involving multiple speakers or a lot of movement. Vizard gives you specific options to choose exactly which face or which moment you want the AI to prioritize during the track. So if you have a guest who delivered the absolute best line, you can make sure the camera focuses squarely on them. Conversely, if a scene is wide and you need to keep some environmental background context, just widen the crop a little bit instead of zooming in aggressively. Let's quickly compare this to other tools like CapCut that offer a solid auto reframe feature. CapCut absolutely nails motion tracking and reframing clips, which is great. However, it often expects you to already know which segments you want to turn into shorts, meaning you still end up doing a lot of manual trimming. Vizard, on the other hand, automates the discovery process for you completely. It finds the viral moments, reframes them perfectly for vertical, and hands you several ready-made options immediately. That level of automation is a complete game changer if you are batch creating content from huge, long-form sessions. Let's talk about another crucial element people often overlook. Formatting is just step one. Once you have that perfect vertical cut, Vizard helps with generating captions and cutting the clip to the optimal platform lengths. Think a punchy 15 to 30 second version for TikTok and maybe a slightly longer cut for Instagram Reels. It is truly about more than just the aspect ratio. It's about pacing, strong hooks, and hitting that main point precisely. You'll see that the clips Vizard suggests often start with an incredibly strong hook right at the beginning. That initial moment is exactly what grabs viewers and stops them from scrolling past on their mobile feed. Okay, once you have the initial auto cuts, it's time for the fine-tuning stage. Click directly onto the generated clip in the timeline to skim through the content. If you feel like adding a quick intro graphic or a subtle text overlay, Vizard has those options available right there in line. I personally always add captions because the data shows viewers watch muted far more often than we expect. The auto caption generator here is fantastic. It times the text perfectly, but you can still tweak the wording if you want it punchier. Also, always check the visual boundaries of your crop for important elements. Sometimes a critical hand gesture or a key prop can get cut off, so you might need a slight adjustment. Once you are completely satisfied with that polished clip, hit the Apply or Export button. Vizard exports directly in the correct vertical resolution, perfectly optimized for social upload standards. This means you avoid those terrible compression artifacts that pop up when you upload incorrectly sized videos. But the real power move here is utilizing the auto schedule and integrated content calendar feature. Stop manually posting every single piece of content one by one. That's ancient history. Simply set your desired posting frequency, drag your clips into the calendar slots, and Vizard queues everything up across platforms. You can dictate the cadence, maybe 2 clips per week or even daily posting, and it handles the entire release schedule automatically. For any creator juggling multiple channels simultaneously, this feature is genuinely a massive time saver. If you're currently comparing tools and asking what the catch might be, let's look at scale. Many apps are great at reframing one single clip, but they fall completely short when you need to process a whole batch. They might force you back into reframing every single short by hand, or they simply lack cross-platform scheduling integration. Others may have a beautiful graphical user interface, but then charge a premium for batch processing or impose strict export limits. Vizard finds that sweet spot by automating the highlight selection, reframing cleanly for vertical, and providing that all-in-one calendar manager. So while many other tools stop at make it vertical, Vizard keeps going to provide true repurposing power. It transforms one long recording into a whole week or even a month's worth of vertical content you can manage from one single spot. Here are a few practical pointers to keep in mind while you are in the editing phase. Always focus on picking the absolute best hook first, and then trim the rest of the clip precisely to that action. Give that initial hook just a fraction of a second longer than you think it needs. That small pause really helps with the algorithm. Seriously, add those captions as early as possible because they dramatically affect viewer retention. And if a suggested clip feels a little too long for a quick hit, simply split it into 2 variants for testing. Have one short, immediate hit and another slightly expanded one for the viewers who want to dig a little deeper. Also, it is important to be mindful of the original context of your horizontal source material. If that original contained a crucial demo board or a whiteboard with notes, you might want to crop less aggressively. Vizard makes adjusting that much easier than manually sliding every single crop point over and over again. It intelligently suggests the best framing while making sure you preserve that essential storytelling context. In another quick comparison, CapCut is truly fantastic for creators who love to get hands-on and tinker with every single frame locally. But if your main job is repurposing massive amounts of long-form content at scale, CapCut can quickly become tedious. Turning a 60-minute live stream into 20 shorts manually in any app is just draining. Vizard's core strength is its batch processing and highlight detection, built for exactly that kind of high-demand scenario. This means fewer repetitive clicks, much more consistent output quality, and an integrated scheduling workflow to prevent creator burnout. All right, let's run through those final steps before deployment. First, give those hard-earned captions one last double check for typos. Then preview the clip one last time in the vertical mode so you see it exactly how your audience will experience it. After that, queue it up for release within the Content Calendar module. For advanced users, you can schedule slightly different thumbnails and captions for each specific platform to A/B test what performs best. Post the content, then sit back and watch the analytics start to roll in. Crucially, let the AI learn from your choices because Vizard's suggestions get smarter as you pick your winners. That ongoing feedback loop where the system learns what clips perform best is incredibly helpful for future edits. So to wrap it up, converting horizontal video to vertical shorts absolutely does not need to be a painful chore. With Vizard, you simply upload, hit auto edit, select the best reframe clips, make minor tweaks, and then schedule them all out. It is fast, incredibly efficient, and vastly more scalable than trying to manage all of this manually. If you found this walkthrough genuinely useful and want more tips on turning long content into bite-sized hits, hit that like or follow button. I promise I will keep sharing workflows that actually translate into saved time for you. And if you are currently a dedicated CapCut user, I highly encourage you to try this exact method next time. See which tool finds the better viral moments faster and which one helps you achieve consistent posting frequency. For creators out there trying to grow their presence without completely burning out, this is the low-effort, high-output move you need. I will catch you all in the very next video. Now go out there and make some vertical gold from your horizontal footage.